Huge news. Google just added AI tracking to GA4 by default. This is massive for how we're able to track AI visibility. Here's a full breakdown so you can jump right in and figure out what to do next. GA4 recently updated its default channel group. That's the built-in report inside of Google Analytics that buckets your traffic into categories like organic or paid. And now they've added a new bucket, AI Assistant. Now when someone clicks on a link in ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, and that link takes them to your site, GA4 automatically tags them as AI Assistant for the medium. It also groups it under the AI Assistant channel and labels the campaign as AI Assistant. That's it. That's the feature. And here's the truth. This data did already exist. You could have built a custom segment to find it, but most people didn't do that. It's extra work. But now Google's made it easy. So here's what to do next. Don't wait until AI search is a huge traffic driver for your site before you set a benchmark. Otherwise, you have no historical data to compare the future traffic against. Inside GA4, go to Explore and create a blank exploration report. This is GA4's custom reporting section, more flexible than the standard reports. Set your primary dimension to default channel group and add a filter to isolate the AI Assistant channel. Pull the last 90 days and compare it to the prior 90-day period. You're looking for trajectory, not just volume. Export this and save it. This number might not mean a lot to you right now, but in a few months, it'll be extremely important, and you'll be glad you went through this step. The AI Assistant channel tells you that that traffic arrived, but it doesn't tell you what specific LLM sent the traffic. It also doesn't tell you what content is getting cited. So go back to your traffic acquisition report and change the primary dimension from default channel group to session source. Then add a filter. Medium exactly matches AI Assistant. Next, you'll see a breakdown by source: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and others that GA4 recognizes. You'll notice that our screen shares are hitting dead ends. That's because this feature is brand new and has not rolled out to everyone. If your report is empty, it's because GA4 is only just beginning to categorize this traffic. There's nothing to worry about. Just keep an eye on it so that when it does hit your account, you're ready. Note which sources are sending the most traffic. Note which pages are receiving it. Add a secondary dimension for landing page. This tells you two things: which tools your audience is using and what pages are being cited. This landing page data is gold. If you unveil that there's a certain page that keeps referring people to your site, then you know it's something to keep an eye on and prioritize. Maybe it needs to be updated. Maybe there's some technical changes you can make. This is great insight in order to figure out how to prioritize. This new AI Assistant channel is a real step forward for this industry. It normalizes AI referral traffic and makes it easier to report on so we can better tell these stories internally. But it's a starting point, not the full picture. It tells you your traffic, but it's not telling you your competitors' traffic, for example. Also, not all LLMs are tracked by GA4. So while ChatGPT might be seen there, there might be other AI tools people are using that aren't showing up, which means on the good side, you're probably getting more traffic than you're even seeing. So think of it more as a benchmark than an absolute certainty. The brands that act on this now and set their benchmarks, but also invest in AI visibility and creating pages that answer the questions that people have, they're going to see that they are ahead of the competition. AI search is almost table stakes at this point. So those brands that are tracking their visibility, that are setting these benchmarks, and that are prioritizing content pages that answer these queries that people have and serve as good citations for LLMs, they're going to be way ahead of the curve. If this was useful, subscribe to our channel. We post every week about how you can build visibility in the AI era. We also post these breaking news updates so that you can know ASAP what changes are happening in search. Until the next video, good luck out there.